Yeah, feel much better after a not so great night's sleep, but you win some, you lose some.
We're straight back on a trail and it appears to be a sand.
Yeah, out on these sandy tracks.
Yeah, and that is one of our favourite terrains, is sand.
So we're going to do a little bit of exploring.
I can see Charlie already pulled over. He's going to scope if it's too sandy or not.
See what we're coming up against.
Well, holy moly.
Pretty soft sand, eh?
It's just this bit here.
A bit of a hill. Hill to the corner.
It is time to deflate some tyres. And we're going to start with 20 and see how that goes. Yeah, that looks fun. I like it. Can't imagine better breakfast than this. Why does Molly sound like she's farting? What? What have you done to her?
I'm using these things, I haven't used them for ages.
Why one side sounds farting, the other one doesn't?
I don't know actually. But I think these were set to 18 psi, so that'll be a good
18.
all-rounder.
Sounds like some sort of Moroccan tune. Seriously.
Out in the desert.
Whoops.
Did you turn it?
No. I touched the knob. It stopped. There's some sort of symphony going on. That one's gone quiet.
Pretty cool, eh?
Yeah. Or is it set to 18?
I think I haven't used them for like a year. I think that's what I set them to. Was 18.
Alright, that was a bit too easy.
Hope you find some more softer, steeper stuff.
I know you like that.
I've got a feeling.
outside. You can feel this cool breeze, which is quite actually refreshing after this.
Oh,
It's like
yeah.
such a scorcher. We're like dripping on a seat. So pretty. New favorite sand trail?
I think so. It's got to be, isn't it?
Yeah.
This stuff's getting real soft now.
Gosh. Wow. Woo, watch out with that cookie stick. Do you know, I just remembered that Charlie is still low on fuel.
I know. We need to look for a way out soon. So we get to that trig point up there, and we'll get a good view of where we can go.
That look nice, yeah.
Should be able to see everything from up there. Top of the world.
You are. No, it goes on to the left.
We think we've got an idea of a route out, so here's us giving that one a go. Who knows? Charlie's hoping for the best because he's low on fuel.
And we haven't got any jerry cans on us either, so.
No, I was about to put them on before this trip, but because we're heading north again soon, so I didn't do it because we ran out of time.
And talking about heading north, we are planning to start our journey back to UK.
We are.
Yeah. So next week's video is going to be something different. You're going to see us starting all back in
setting
and
off.
preparing. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So we shall see what route we're going to take, but we've got some great things planned ahead.
Exciting times.
That's right. Have we got like a tube or anything so we can take some fuel out of ours?
We haven't got a lot ourselves, to be fair. Not a little
I'm out of here.
Then we can film it and make it look drama. It's all about the drama. And then we can go, look, the 80 series got stuck.
Actually, Renault diesel.
base camp for the last couple of days before we head north. We are starting the trip back to the UK, Spain, well, yeah, through Spain, well, Portugal first, Spain, France,
Spain,
back to the UK over about 3 weeks.
Yeah.
So, next time you'll be seeing some of that starting to happen. So yeah, it's been a good day though. It's been a good weekend actually.
Yeah.
Epic weekend.
Good fun. Love sand.
Yep, so there we go, 38 DSI, and on that note, we shall see you guys next week. Have a good week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you very soon. Yo!